Hello everyone, welcome to Aapki Parneet. I'm a mother, a daughter, a friend, and a teacher by profession, and I'm going to take you along as we unbox. The first box is from Amazon. If you have boys and you're shopping for them, you know what I mean. And if they're stuck between the kid sizes and the adult sizes, that makes it a little more challenging. These perfect fleece sweatshirts in the colors black, light gray, and dark gray come in all sizes ranging from kids to youth, so it's worth trying. Our next find were these sleepwear fleece pajamas from Fruit of the Loom. They're soft and perfect for winter nightwear. Now let's step into Christmas night. The house is finally quiet and kids fast asleep. Every year I tell myself I'll organize things better. I know the kids cannot wait to put their hands on the electric scooter and Nintendo Switch by their father. We tried to check off everything from their wish list. Santa gifted a radio for Christmas to my son, and I've been approved to borrow it. It was an absolute hit with FM radio and masala radio. What was in the stockings? Candy cane chocolates, pens with fidgets, the travel tags so your suitcases don't get lost, the fidgets, the spinners. The next win was this aircraft model. My boys have been into planes lately, so this was a win too. So they were carefully putting all the parts together and explaining them to me, and they were also deciding on where to display it. Childhood is fun. Don't go anywhere, there is more to come. The next one is the Nintendo Switch 2. It's a hybrid console. You can play it handheld, tabletop, or connect to a TV. It was a big win. Now the biggest one was the iScooter that my elder one had wanted for long. So he carefully unboxed. I helped him take out the heavy scooter from the box. Then he read the manual, assembled it, and he was getting started for his lovely ride. And now it was my turn. My sister gifted me this beautiful colored pouch that had things that she knows I use on a day-to-day basis: moisturizer, hand cream, and also, last but not the least, a gift card to Sephora. I absolutely love that store. I cannot wait to use it, and I'm definitely planning a trip soon. Another very thoughtful thing for me was this tripod stand. Till now, I had been using my phone and propping it on different things in the house, the books, against the wall to make my videos. And this iPad stand will also be put to good use soon. So from now on, you will be able to see better quality, more stable weekly vlogs. Just like these presents and their unwrapping. Remember, sometimes the best parts are hidden inside us, just like these Christmas presents. Self-discovery, personal growth, resilience, acceptance, love, forgiveness, and wisdom are some of our presents that are already inside us. And I hope we all can recognize our true gifts. I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me. Till we meet next time, take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Bye-bye. Take care. Lots of love.